Cable preparation for ribbon fiber. Successful splicing or termination relies on preparing the fibers with care and efficiency. In this session, we will show how cable preparation for ribbon fiber is done. Objective: at the end of this session, you will be able to perform cable preparation of ribbon fiber cable for routing inside a joint closure. Before we begin, let's first see the tools and materials needed for the cable preparation. Cable sheath cutter, utility knife, scissors, screwdrivers, and insulation tape. Let's now start the cable preparation procedure. First, stick an insulation tape around the cable at a distance of 1.5 meter from the end of the cable. Then cut the insulation tape with a utility knife. Cut the cable sheath using a cable cutter. Hold the cable with the cable cutter. Gently rotate the cutter. After each round, tighten the cutter a little bit and then rotate. Repeat this until the sheath of the cable gets cut. Take care not to cut the fibers inside. Bend the cable gently. Using the knife, cut the sheath of the cable lengthwise in such a way that the small portion of cable sheath gets cut. And then slit open the outer cover with a screwdriver. Using ripcord, rip the outer sheath of the cable by wrapping around screwdriver and pulling down till reference point. Now cut the ripcord using a scissors. Repeat this process on the other side of the cable. Now again, using the cable cutter, cut the cable sheath near the reference point. As the cable is already cut, the sheath can be removed. You see the Kevlar strength yarns, yellow hair-like yarns. Hold them, divide into two, rotate them tightly, and then using the knife, cut them. Then cut the binder tape using knife. Separate the fibers. The filler tubes inside the cable are used for holding the tubes together. Cut the tubes using knife. Then cut the dielectric central strength member at the center of the cable. Around 15 centimeters will be left out. This portion will be tightened to a clamp inside the closure. The fiber inside the cable have standard color coding. Stick a red insulation tape again at the cable cut position. Now we have cable prepared and are ready to place inside a joint closure. With that, we have come to the end of this session. Let's now recall the key points. Prepare the fiber by cutting the outer sheath of the cable. Cut the Kevlar strength yarn and binder tape. And cut the central strength member, leaving 15 centimeters from the edge.